chosen the sports one, and this is the pink. So inside the box of the strap, you have medium, large, and small. Depending on the size of your wrist, you choose the one that you think. I have very small wrist, so I'm going to select the small, and it has the other strap as well, so you need the two. So you take that two out. This is the large one if you have a larger wrist, because these watches are actually unisex, so you can have masculine arm that will require the long one, and then they've kindly put the two there. So with this, I've got the two, and I've got the watch itself. But inside of the strap packaging, the instruction on how to connect the strap to the watch is written there. So it says to attach the band, slide it until you hear a click. So there's a secret to this. You have where you have the wind that you use to wind your clock, that will be where you will place it on your wrist. So that faces up, and that's where you're going to attach the little connector, and it faces up. So let's put that on one side, and then this one would have to face down, because when you are wrapping it around your wrist, you want it to connect tightly with the metal magnet there that goes into the holes. So you have your little watch there. It says there's no battery, so I have to charge it. But before charging it, I'm just going to slide the strap. So there's a hole, and the magnet kind of feel is, you can feel it. So you keep it facing down, and then you slide it into the slot until you hear a click. You can't hear it, but I can hear the click. So it's gone in nice and tight. And then if you want to remove it at any time, there's a little push button. You push it, and then you are able to bring it out again. That's how you can interchange your strap into different colors of your choice. But like I said, is the pink one I've chosen to demonstrate with. So I'm sliding it back on again. So be sure you're still on point. Clock facing up, and then this winder on left hand, and then you slot this in until you hear that click again, and then it slots in. Then the top bit, you have that metal part facing up, and then you slot it in again like the other one until you hear the click. Can you hear that little click? It's very silent, but you can hear it. And then you have your clock, your wristwatch connected to the strap. And like I said, at any time, if you want to swap your strap around, you have leather straps, you have loop, you have solo, you have different type of straps. So just find the one that matches the size of your watch. This one is the 40 ml because my wrist is very, very tiny. So I've got settled for the small one. Can you see? So I'll show you also the larger one, because my son has the bigger size, the 44 ml. So I'm going to show you that as well in another video. But this one is the 40 ml, and you see it's perfect for my tiny wrist. I would advise, if you're a man or somebody with a larger wrist, to go for the larger, bigger size. It's a bit more money, but it looks more masculine on your arm. This is quite small, but for a small wrist, it's perfect. And the colors as well, it's up to you what color you choose. You have it in red, you have it in blue, you have the SE in a fewer color, but the SE, the 6 series, you have them in variety of colors. You can have it in the Nike designs, you have them in Hermes, you have them in different type of bands that you can attach to them. But like I said, this is the sports one, and it's just perfect for my needs. And the nice pinky feel is really, really beautiful. The red one, the blue one, the black one, regardless of what color you'd go for, I think you would enjoy it. So thank you for watching my channel. I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye.